Hello children, good morning, welcome back. This is my next history class part 2 for standard 6. Now we read River Valley Civilization part 2 Mesopotamian cities. Already मैंने पहले भी इस Mesopotamian cities के बारे में पढ़ाया हुआ था और फिर से मैं इसे पढ़ा रही हूँ. First, town planning. A large number of cities existed in Mesopotamia. Many Mesopotamian cities have been excavated so far. The main cities were Eridu, Kaish, Uruk, Ur and Lagash. Uruk was the largest city. It was divided into three parts. First, the sacred area. Second, the walled city. Third, the outer city. अब हम लोग इससे डिटेल के बारे में डिटेल में जानेंगे. द sacred area. The sacred area had a tower known as the ziggurat. On the top of the ziggurat, this was a temple dedicated to the god of the city. Second, the walled city. The walled city was situated on a mount. Mount means a large pile of earth or stones. It was the residential area. The outer town was also used for residential purpose. Each household had rooms around a central courtyard. Next point, religious beliefs. Religion dominated the Mesopotamian society. Many gods and goddesses were worshipped. Natural forces such as stars, moon, sun and rain were also worshipped. The priests enjoyed respectful position. Mesopotamian built many temples. जैसा कि पहले ही मैंने वीडियो में बताया था कि मैंने सारे नोट्स तैयार कर लिए हैं और मैं पीडीएफ भी भेजती जा रही हूँ जिससे आप लोगों को नोट्स बनाने में भी आसानी होगा, क्वेश्चन से करने में भी आसानी होगी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, सोसाइटी. The Mesopotamian society was divided into three classes: upper class, middle class, lower class and slaves. Occupation. Farming was the chief occupation of Mesopotamians. मैंने पहले भी बताया है कि अगर ऑक्यूपेशन की बात करते हैं और कभी की बात की जाती है तो मेन ऑक्यूपेशंस में फार्मिंग का ही नाम आता है. द फार्मर्स ग्रू wheat, barley, dates, corn, vegetables and fruits. Trade and commerce. Next point, Mesopotamians were involved in both domestic and foreign trade. It is believed that they enjoyed trade links with the Harappan civilization, as Harappan seals have been found in Mesopotamia and Mesopotamian seals in Harappan cities. Next point, art and architecture. कला और वास्तुकला. The art and architecture of Mesopotamia was very rich. They used wood, different metals and baked bricks in their buildings. Script, जिसे हम हिंदी में लिपि कहते हैं. The world first known art of writing appeared in Mesopotamia by 3500 BCE. It is known as cuneiform. The Mesopotamians wrote on little tablets of clay with pens made of reed and bones, जो कि बांस की लकड़ी से या फिर हड्डियों से बनी होती थी. Knowledge and science. Next point, it's my next point, knowledge and science. The Mesopotamians are credited to have the earliest library in the world. They have also given the world earliest known poem, the Epic of Gilgamesh. They were experts in mathematics. They were perhaps the first to develop algebra and geometry. Interestingly, as we count by tens, they counted by 60. It's very interesting. As we count by tens, they count by 60. Decline. इस ये जो सिविलाइजेशन था, मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन में जो पढ़ रहे हैं, ये कैसे डिक्लाइन हुआ, कैसे समाप्त हो गया आफ्टर लास्टिंग फॉर मेनी मिलेनिया. The Mesopotamian civilization declined around 600 BCE because of, first point, frequent wars that might have destroyed their economy badly. Second point, the improper irrigation system that might have eroded the fertility of the soil. Page number 4. Now we will read the Egyptian civilization. The Egyptian civilization flourished in the valley of river Nile. The annual flooding of the river made the adjoining areas very fertile. We know more about the Egyptian civilization than the Mesopotamian civilization because of 3 reasons. Written records are available in large number and provide us enough information. Their buildings were made of stones that remained undestroyed for a longer time. Their buildings were made of stones remained undestroyed for a longer time. The civilization continued to flourish for a long period of time. तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि ये civilization जो Mesopotamian civilization, we know more about the Egyptian civilization than the, यानी कि हम लोग Egyptian civilization के बारे में ज्यादा जानते हैं. क्यों ज्यादा जानते हैं? ये सारे 3 पॉइंट्स को हमने डिटेल में समझा दिया है. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, टाउन प्लानिंग. There were 2 kinds of cities in Egypt. Enout was a city that grew up naturally and unplanned. Example, Memphis and Thebes. Ademi was a city that was laid out along a plan demi when translated means a settlement. My next point, kingdoms and their rulers. The kingdoms of ancient Egypt can be divided into 3 parts. 3 points here. First point, the Old Kingdom. Approximately 3000 BC, 2000 BC. Period is also called the Age of Pyramids. Period is also called the Age of Pyramids. The Middle Kingdom, 2000 BC to 1700 BC. The pharaoh of this period was less powerful. Third point and last, this point, third point, the New Kingdom, 1600 BC to 1100 BC. The Egyptian power reached its peak during this period. Next point, society divided into many classes. First point, the queen was at the top of the society. She was called the pharaoh. Second, the second category had priests, nobles followed by artisans and craftsmen. Third, the third category consisted of farmers and cultivation. Fourth, at the lowest level were the slaves. Fourth and last point, at the lowest level were the slaves. Lifestyle of the people. The 2 upper classes were the rich people. They led lavish lives. They lived in big houses, men and women. Both wore jewelry made of gold and precious stones. It's very interesting. अगर लाइफ स्टाइल की बात करेंगे इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन के लोगों की, तो अपर क्लास जो थे बड़ी लग्जरी लाइफ जीते थे. वो बड़े से बिग हाउसेस में रहते थे. मेन एंड वीमेन बोथ वेयर ज्वेलरी मेड ऑफ गोल्ड एंड प्रेशियस स्टोन्स. Singing and dancing were the popular forms of entertainment. A musical instrument named harp was very popular among them. एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट था जो हार्प के नाम से जाना जाता था. उस जमाने में वो बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ करता था. पोजीशन ऑफ वुमेन. Position of women. The position women was inferior to the men physically. They were not given any power. During the New Kingdom, the queen began to get a prominent place. Religious belief. The Egyptian believed in many god and goddess. जैसा कि उनके बारे में हम लोग जानते होंगे और बता भी रही हूँ मैम, बता भी रही हूँ कि वो लोग बहुत सारे देवी देवताओं में बिलीव करते थे. सन वाज द मेन गॉड कॉल्ड अमुन रे और रा. ईच गॉड हैड अ सेपरेट टेम्पल एंड अ प्रीस्ट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ममीज. The Egyptian believed in the life after death. They preserved dead bodies by embalming them with spices and wrapping them in fine linen. These preserved dead bodies are called mummies. Occupations. The main occupation of Egyptians was agriculture. Barley, wheat, millets, beans, cucumber, onions and grapes were the main crops. Papyrus was harvested for making paper and ropes. Papyrus जिसको हार्वेस्ट किया जाता था पेपर बनाने के लिए, रोप्स बनाने के लिए. Craftsmanship. This was the second popular occupation. एग्रीकल्चर के बाद ये सेकेंड पॉपुलर ऑक्यूपेशन था इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन के पीरियड का. इजिप्शियन मेड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल आर्टिकल्स ऑफ वुड, इवोरी एंड प्रेशियस स्टोन्स. मेजर अचीवमेंट. तो हमें यह भी जानना है स्टूडेंट्स के मेजर अचीवमेंट क्या था. आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर. आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर वाज वेरी रिच. द इजिप्शियन बिल्ट Great Pyramid and temples. The largest of the pyramid in Egypt is the Great Pyramid of Giza. Next point, painting. Paintings and pictures of human beings, animals and birds were used to decorate the walls of temples and pyramids. A script. The Egyptian form of writing is known as hieroglyphics. That means sacred writing. This kind of writing that use picture for words. They used as a pen made of pointed reed and ink. Knowledge. First, mathematics. They knew fractions, the decimal system, and the four basic operations of mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplications and divisions. And next point, second point, astronomy. Solar calendar was the greatest achievement of the Egyptian. Third, medicine. Egyptians were well aware about the human body, its structure, blood circulation and many other things. Decline. लास्ट हमें ये पढ़ना है कि डिक्लाइन के बारे में, कैसे ये जो सिविलाइजेशन था. What factors supposed to have led to the decline of the Egyptian civilization? This class is completed, student. Thank you.